Let me show you a 2-bedroom house in Kasarani, Clayworks. It's 15,000 per month. Come inside. So this is the sitting room. As you can see, it's pretty sizable. About the wall, but we are still doing renovation for the house. The tenant just moved out. You have the TV mounting, it's already done for you. Come, let me show you the main bedroom. This is one of the bedrooms. We're still doing the walls, maybe the painting. It's a full-size wardrobe. You can see like how beautiful the tiles are. The tiles are already done. We are just awaiting some minor renovation. The second bedroom, this one is a bit smaller, so you can use it maybe for the kids, or you can use it as an extra room for the office. So the tiles are already done. Look at the lighting, sawa. The walls, as we said, the renovation is still ongoing. Let me take you to the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. The kitchen is quite sizable. You can tubs, the sink, the area you can use maybe hapo unaweza weka cooker, and the fridge. You have the cabinet here, and also the kitchen has a balcony. Balcony is quite sizable. Unaona ample space. Unaweza weka your flowers na case yake, or you can just use it as an extra space. Unaweza weka carpet. Look at it, you can see the surrounding, how safe it is. Kwa sababu hauishi peke yako huko. Umesahau, let me show you the washroom. Washroom though, it's quite sizable for a 2-bedroom. We are still doing, kuna easy parts za choo, bado tunafanya renovation. Iko na heated shower, so no cold showers for you. The tiles will be renovated kidogo. So for 15,000 per month, you get this house, this 2-bedroom. All you need is rent na deposit. Call us at 0726 615 165, or you can visit the website www.rentnasi.com for more houses.